Alright, so we're doing a pipe. This is going to be your standard method. So we'll go ahead and cut our hole out here. Take our caulking, caulk along the bottom here. And we'll take our pipe jack. You can see everything behind that pipe. I've created a water stop. That way if any wind-driven rain gets in there, it doesn't come back around it. So we'll lay this down into our caulking. Go ahead and throw some fasteners down into the caulking there. You can form that pipe jack towards the panel. Then we'll just go ahead and take our next panel and cut around that pipe jack. And then fasten as normal. Then we'll go ahead, caulk the top of those screws, and then go ahead and caulk around that pipe jack. And then bring my granules from my touch-up kit and sprinkle those into that caulking to dress it up and protect that caulking.